Hello friends, I'm back with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri Ma'am. In this channel, we are going to solve the questions from IIT JAM examination. The subject is biotechnology. This is the examination conducted by IITs every year in the month of February for entrance test in the MSc. We are going to discuss the questions from papers of biotechnology. Last video, I have given you a question for your solving. The question was like deficiency of enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase causes phenylketonuria. The phenylalanine hydroxylase converts phenylalanine to. The options are tryptophan, alanine, tyrosine, threonine. The question is from biochemistry. The question is from paper of biotechnology 2020. This question is there for 1 mark. This is from section A and it's a MCQ type of question. One of the answer from 4 options is correct. So you must have gone through the question, find the answer, but we can still pause for a while. You can write your answer in comment section. This is my mail ID. You can contact me on this mail. I conduct online classes for the preparation of IIT JAM examination. You can mail me on this mail. Okay, now coming back to the question. Question want to know that phenylalanine get converted into which amino acid using this enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. So here the answer I am giving at the beginning itself. The answer is tyrosine, that is option C. Phenylalanine gets converted into tyrosine using phenylalanine hydroxylase. This is there in normal person. But when the person is suffering from phenylketonuria, this is the inborn error of metabolism, inborn error in amino acid metabolism. So when the person is suffering from phenylketonuria, there is absence of this enzyme and there is no conversion of phenylalanine to tyrosine. So what happens to phenylalanine? It gets transaminated to phenylpyruvate and further it forms phenylacetate and phenylactate. This phenylacetate and phenylactate get accumulated in blood and tissues and are excreted in urine. Hence the condition or the disease condition is known as phenylketonuria. In this slide, I have given the detailed functioning of phenylalanine which get converted into tyrosine. So see here, phenylalanine is the precursor of amino acid tyrosine. And what are the functions of this tyrosine? This tyrosine further get converted into melanin. Melanin is the pigment which confers the color of the person, color of skin and color of hair. Then tyrosine get converted into dopamine and norepinephrine. These are neurotransmitters and this is also important in the functioning of glands like adrenal gland, thyroid gland, pituitary gland. So here we can understand that if the phenylalanine is not getting converted to tyrosine, all the further functions of tyrosine will get impaired. And the disease condition phenylketonuria will show the absence of these functions. So what it shows? Here I have summarized the symptoms of phenylketonuria. C. Phenylalanine does not get converted to tyrosine and it affects the functioning of neurotransmitters. Due to this, there is a development of mental retardation and seizure in the patient suffering from phenylketonuria. Secondly, phenylketonuria, there is patient is having blonde haired and blue eyed. This is due to the not formation of melanin pigment. Again, children show stinky musty odor in this disease. This is due to phenylacetate, which where do we find phenylacetate? Phenylalanine gets transaminated to phenylacetate, which get excreted through urine. So there is a stinky musty odor which is there in a children suffering from phenylketonuria. Here in the slide, I have discussed other options given in the question. Alanine, threonine and tryptophan are the other options given for question. These are again amino acids. Alanine, this is used to make protein. It is involved to strengthen the immune system and it plays a role in nitrogen transport from tissues to the liver. As amino acid contains amino group, so many of the amino acids are involved in nitrogen transport in the body. Another option is threonine. This is the amino acid containing hydroxyl group, OH group. So at the OH, the O-linked glycosylation can be done. During the post-translational modification, O-linked glycosylation is done at the site where the threonine is present. This amino acid is present at the active site of enzymes and this is essential amino acid found in many proteins. Next amino acid given in the option is tryptophan. This tryptophan is a precursor molecule for melatonin, serotonin and niacin. This melatonin is involved in regulation of sleep cycles. Serotonin is also important for healthy sleep and stable mood. And this niacin is involved in the carbohydrate metabolism. Niacin is vitamin B3, which is very important in carbohydrate metabolism. So these are the functions of tryptophan. So after this discussion, we come to the conclusion that the option C is the correct option for this question. That is tyrosine. Now this is a question for my next video. This question I have taken from NAT section of IIT JAM examination. This is from paper of biotechnology 2018. NAT stands for numerical answer type question. In this section, there are total 20 questions. First 10 questions are there for 1 mark and next 10 questions are there for 2 marks. There is no negative marking in this NAT section and no options are also given. They don't give us options. We have to solve the question and write our answer here. So let's go through the question. Both strands of a DNA molecule are labeled with radioactive thymidine and are allowed to duplicate in an environment containing non-radioactive thymidine. The number of DNA molecule that will contain radioactive thymidine after 3 duplication is. The question is asking about DNA duplication. Radioactive thymidine are used and they are asking the number of DNA molecule that will contain radioactive thymidine after 3 duplication. So we'll have the discussion for this question in my next video. Till then, I give you time to solve this question. You try by yourself to solve this question. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care.